Welcome to Hotstone Media. This video is intended for general guidance purposes only and should not be considered a definitive or comprehensive instruction manual. By watching this video, you acknowledge and accept that any damage or injury to yourself, your vehicle, or others is entirely your responsibility. You have been warned. This is a short informational video that provides an overview of how to fix a common problem with the horn not working on a Ford Focus Mark III. First thing to do would be to access the horn unit by removing the cover on the bumper. Then you will need a 10mm socket and ratchet to remove the bracket holding the horn unit. After you have removed the horn unit, you should look for signs of corrosion. Usually corrosion occurs at the connection points. You should disconnect the connector and check inside. If you find signs of corrosion inside, then that is the most likely cause of the fault. You should clean the terminals. After that, you should reconnect the connector and check if the horn works or not. If it does, then the problem is solved. You can reassemble everything. If it doesn't work, then further investigation needs to be carried out to check if the horn units are faulty or if there is a power issue. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video enjoyable and the information helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me and helps me keep creating more content like this. Every viewer matters, and I truly appreciate you being here. Thank you.